Welcome to Quilt Chat. I'm Donna Holmes, and today I have
Fran Morgan.
We're so excited that you're here.
Thank
and
you.
Your new book, Fat Quarter Quilting Fun. And I know there's some differences with our 3-yard quilt kits and working with fat quarters in your book. And I think you have a tip for us.
I certainly do. So first, let me just mention that the Fat Quarter Quilting Fun, all of the patterns call for 12 fat quarters, which equals 3 yards. So that is very similar to our normal 3-yard quilts that we have in some of our other wonderful books that Donna has done. But the difference is in the 3-yard quilt books, she has a fabric 1, 2, and 3. In this, we didn't really want to say fabrics 1 through 12, so what we decided to do is group them into light, medium, and dark.
Okay.
And this also enables you to pull from your stash and use some things that you already have, those great fat quarters in your stash. So let me show you though, because they are grouped in light, medium, and dark, a really great way to identify what category they fall in.
Okay, I'm excited about that.
Great. So what we're going to do is we're just going to get our smartphone and we're going to open it up and go to the camera in your phone. Now we're going to I've got some fat quarters here. These are from the Meander quilt, and I'm going to take a quick snapshot of these. Now once I take the picture, I'm going to tap on the picture and I'm going to select the edit button. And when you get to the editing screen, do you see these 3 little dots down here that look like white, dark gray, and light gray?
I do.
I'm going to select that.
All right.
And then I'm going to kind of scroll it all the way over, and you'll see that it'll change it to a black and white photo.
Oh, okay.
And what's really cool is that when you do that, the light, medium, and darks really pop, and you can really tell which ones are light, medium, and dark.
All right.
So once I select the fabrics that I want, what I would do, take a picture that I can say, well, this one was dark and this one was dark. And then I would lay them all back out, take another photo and change it to black and white again to make sure they're grouped appropriately.
Okay. Well, that's easy.
Super simple.
You just made something that seemed a little hard easy.
Easy. And it's really fun to do. And so whenever I finally learned this trick, I was taking pictures of all my fabric, which is kind of silly, I know, but it was kind of exciting.
I like that. I think that's great. Well, I hope that you find this tip helpful, and thanks for joining us.
Thank you.